Okay, Bismillah. Just want to add on one quick thing to the tanween stuff. Notice here how none of them have alif lam. So you'll never see tanween and alif lam together. It's never gonna happen, ever. Right? So, do I have an example of alif lam? Yeah. So this would never be al-kitabin. Not gonna happen. Al-kitaban. Never gonna happen. Al-kitabun. Never gonna happen. When there's alif lam, it's always gonna drop down just to one. No exception to that one. Okay, just wanted to add in that one quickly. Now we're gonna go on to definite nouns. So there are 6 reasons as to why a noun can become definite, and we're just gonna lightly touch on them because we're actually gonna go into further detail later on. So it's just to get you familiar with it, okay? So if you have time, just try and go through these, get them down because it'll help later on. So a word in Arabic, one of the ways that it's made definite is by adding a lam with a sukoon, right? So it's this lam with a sukoon that makes this word here definite, right? But the thing is, it can't be pronounced. This is like l-kaslanu. It's not possible. Doesn't make any sense. So they bring this alif in here as a means of making it pronounceable. Al-kaslanu, right? So that lam with sukoon is the sign of definiteness, not the alif. But to be honest, if you just say alif lam is a sign of definiteness, no one's gonna sue you. It's just a little tidbit, right? So alif lam, specifically the lam with the sukoon, is your sign of definiteness. Second is proper names, and proper names is just names of people. So Nina, Alimun, Uzeru, right? All these names are definite because it's referring to someone specific, right? The next one is the person who's being called. So in Arabic, you actually see the word ya used a lot, and that means like oh, right? Ya ayyuhan nas, oh people, right? That's used to get people's attention. You're referring to someone specific, right? So when you have this ya coming, the word after it is going to be definite because it's talking about someone specific. Ya ayyuhan nas, oh people, right? So 4 is pointing words. So that's like this or that. In Arabic, they're known as ismu ishara. So just this and that. They're referring to something specific, so they're definite by nature. The 5th is connecting words. So these are words that connect you to a concept. Generally in English, it's translated as who. So the one who eats, right? It's connecting the one to the concept of eating by using the word who. And in Arabic, this is done with alladhi. Alladhi. And then secondly, if you want to make it plural, so those multiple people who believe, it would be alladhina, because now we're referring to multiple people. You don't have to get this down. Just keep it in your head. He hasn't actually gone into any detail regarding it, but it will come up in the future, inshallah. And then number 6 is the popular one, which is associations, known as idafa, but they can also be called ownership. So Kevin's pen, or pen of Kevin, or book of Allah, right? Kevin's pen and pen of Kevin, they mean the exact same thing. That pen there that's being owned, that's going to be definite. And yeah, that's it. These are the 6 cases of definite nouns. Try and get these down, okay? Alright, peace out, Cam. That's all for this lesson. Oh, by the way, if you have any suggestions or critique, or if the mic's too loud or it's echoing too much, or you want us to just make one large video, just let us know and we'll go ahead and we'll fine tune all of this to your liking. Alright, bud. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.